Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. I'm astrologer Prashant and I welcome you all to my channel, Divine Jyotish. We will discuss what this year will bring to you. In astrology, planets move from one Rashi or sign to another. In this video, we will know about Aquarius sign. This year, all big planets will change their zodiac signs, and in result, it will be a changing period for most of the people. Rahu Ketu will change on 12th April, Shani on 29th April, and Guru on 13th April. For Aquarius, in business and wealth, from starting of the year till 12th April, Guru aspecting 7th house, people in manufacturing unit, trading, consultancy, service provider and brokerage will get benefit. This will happen because of your team members. From 12th till 24th April, Mercury is with Ketu in 3rd house. Due to this, money trapping, cheating, law, high expenditure and debt are possible. However, people in businesses related to gold, silver, copper, aluminium, restaurant, computer, TV will face ups and downs in their fields. You will have to put lot of efforts to bring your career on track. From 17th August till 17th September, Sun is in 7th house. If you want to close a deal, try in this time. Funding in business from foreign client, association with big venture, and meeting with reputed people is on the cards. From 20th August till 26th October, Mercury is in 8th house. This is the right time to invest in business and also for starting a new venture. If you do proper research, then the benefits will be very high. You can purchase a new vehicle, shop, or factory for business. If you are associated with property business, then October-November months are beneficial. In job and profession, from 26th February till 7th April, Mars is in 12th house. Changing job and going abroad is possible. New job, increment, promotion, and new responsibilities will be there. From 29th April till 12th July, Saturn aspecting 10th house. It is favorable time for social workers, service providers, doctors, lawyers, engineers, chartered accountants, and astrologers. From 17th August till 17th September, Sun is in 7th house. People in private, government jobs, police, army, administrative services will definitely get success. Try to be down to earth and humble when you become successful. From 17th October till 16th November, Sun with Rahu in 9th house, making Rahan Dosh, medical, defense, government services, pharma, accounting will face some difficulties. Manage your time properly to progress in career. Family, love and relationship. From starting of the year till 12th April, Guru aspecting 7th house, you will manage your children and family and professional activities at the same time. Your bond with family members will become strong. They will be supportive and there will be peace in the house. From 18th June till 13th July, Venus making Malavya named Raj Yoga. It is the right time to make love partner into life partner. Love will increase in relationships, and for some reason, if there is a distance in a relationship, it will disappear now. From 17th August till 17th September, Sun is in 7th house. You will spend time with children and family, will buy a new house, flat, and traveling will make you happy. This is a golden period for your children. Don't cheat on your girlfriend or boyfriend and never hurt anybody's emotions. If caste, religion is becoming a hindrance in your love, then this obstacle will be finished. Doing charity and worshipping will increase happiness at home. For students, from starting of the year till 12th April, Guru aspecting 5th house, be committed to your children, education, whether it is a school, college, institute, or higher education. From 17th May till 26th June, Mars is aspecting 5th house. It's test time for the players. Work on your performance and you will get many opportunities in different tournaments. From 2nd till 16th July, Mercury is in 5th house. Banking, finance, accounting, business management, consultancy, service provider, architecture, hotel and pharma students will get desired results. Competitive exams, police, army, administrative exams, results will be in your favor. Just focus on your studies and you will get many opportunities. In health and travel, a few times you will travel. From starting of the year till 28th April, Saturn aspecting 6th house. You may suffer from anemia, cold, cough, sexual diseases, stomach and bone related problems. So take extra care of your health. From 26th June till 10th August, Mars with Rahu in 3rd house. Due to this, your weight will increase and problems related to blood or stomach may arise. You should include yoga, meditation, sports in your daily routine. If you are above 50 years of age, then be cautious. From 20th August till 26th October, Mercury is in 8th house. Due to this, business, spirituality, picnic, traveling is on the cards. And this is beneficial for you. Aquarius people, worship Lord Bhairavnath on daily basis. Check Stotram videos on my channel under Stotram playlist. For personal consultation, please contact the numbers given in video. Hope you have liked the video so far. Please share and like the video and subscribe the channel if not done so far. You can follow me in Instagram, Facebook and Twitter with the name Divine Jyotish. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.